Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious mouth-watering peanut soup, or you can call it groundnut soup. It's so yummy and so delicious, guys. Keep watching. Let's get into this cooking.
It's yours on the list.
Let me introduce the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. I have goat meat. I have smoked turkey. Then also I have a cow skin. Then I have a stockfish. Okay, all this meat I've already been washed off camera. Then I have my homemade dried fish. Then also I'm going to be using bell pepper, habanero pepper, and some onions. Then I have my crayfish and the dry shrimp. Also, I will be using a dry bitter leaf. Okay, you can use spinach if you don't have a bitter leaf. You can use any green leaf of your choice. Then also I have my pepper soup seasoning. I have calabash, nutmeg, and a grain of celery that I will be using also. Then I have my groundnut, or you can call it peanut. It's a raw peanut. I went ahead and roasted it with my oven, as you can see over there, a video over there. Then I also have my beef seasoning, non-seasoning, and some salt to taste. In a clean pot, I'm going to add in my goat meat and the stockfish together. Okay, then I'm going to add in some diced onions and one habanero pepper. Then I'm going to add in my seasoning. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of non-seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of beef seasoning. Thank you so much, everyone, for stopping by today. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to share with Love TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow my page. I appreciate every one of you for always coming back to watch my video. I'm just going to stir it together a little bit. Then I'm going to add about 3 cups of water. Then I will cover it up. I will allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, this is 15 minutes later. I'm just going to give it a little stir. Then I'm going to add in my smoked turkey and the cow skin. Just stir it up a little bit. Then I'll cover it again and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes again. Because the stockfish is still very strong. Okay, that stockfish is very strong, guys. That's why I'm cooking it so long. While the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead and blend my pepper together. I have 1 bell pepper, habanero pepper, onions, and some ginger. I'll blend it, then I'll keep it aside. Then I'll go ahead also and blend my spice with my crayfish. Okay, I'm going to add in my crayfish, then I'll blend them together, then I'll keep them aside also. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching till this point. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a new video. I appreciate every one of you for the support. May God bless you all. This is the finished look after blending it. Okay guys, this is 15 minutes later. Now I'm going to add in my blended pepper. Then I'm going to go ahead and rinse my blender with some water. Then I'll add it to it. Then I'll give it a quick stir. Then I'll cover it to cook for some time. Then while the meat and the pepper is cooking, I'll go ahead and blend my peanuts. Okay, I'll go ahead and blend my groundnut. Then I'll keep it aside. As you can see, this is my peanut, my groundnut. I'm blending it right now, and I'll keep it aside. Now it's time for me to share back on the soup. I'm just going to add in my dry shrimps. Then I'm also going to add in my blended spice and crayfish. Give it a quick stir. I'll stir it up together. Then I'm just going to add in my blended groundnut. Then I will stir it up a little bit. Then I'm going to add palm oil, just a little bit of palm oil, just for taste, because I just want the taste of palm oil. You can skip the palm oil if you don't want it, okay? Because peanuts already have oil on it already. Then I'm just going to stir it a little bit. Then I'm going to add in my homemade dried fish that I've baked in the oven. That's my melusa fish. Okay, I went ahead and bake it in the dry it in the oven. I'm just going to add it to it as my dry fish, or you can call it white knee or melusa. I'm just going to add it. I'll cover it up. I like to cook for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, this is about 5 minutes later. Our soup is almost ready. At this point, the kitchen is smelling amazing. It's smelling granulicious. It's smelling peanutlicious. Have you ever tried peanut soup before? If you haven't tried it, just give it a try. You will love it, okay? Now I'm going to add in my dry bitter leaf. Okay, you can go ahead and add in some spinach too. If you don't have a bitter leaf, you can use spinach also. I'm just going to stir it up, stir it together. Then I'll cover it. I like to cook for about 10 minutes. Then our soup is going to be ready. While the soup is cooking, I'll go ahead and prepare my swallow, okay? For this soup, I'm going to be using plantain fufu. You can use pounded yam to eat this soup. You can use any swallow of your choice. You can even use rice, okay? If you're the type that like rice, you can use rice also for this soup, okay? Now I'm just going to add in, I tested for salt. Then I needed to add in more salt. I added about 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to stir it up a little bit again. You know guys, I love to stir. I like stirring my soup. I'm just going to cover it. I like to cook for about 5 minutes. Then our soup is ready. It's 5 minutes later. Look at the oil is already on top of the soup. That is a sign to show that our soup is ready, guys. Oh, it smells so good. This soup was so yummy. It was so delicious, guys. Our soup is ready, guys. Are you guys hungry? I'm a cheerful giver, okay? I'll share, okay? Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. This is the end result of the soup. As you can see, it looks so beautiful and it looks so yummy and it tastes so good. Now I'm just going to serve it inside my native pot, guys. That pot, look Look at our soup. The end result is so good. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and share this video. And please don't forget to like and follow my page also, my Facebook page. I appreciate every one of you for the love, for the support. I know you guys are hungry, guys. I know you guys are salivating. Tell me the truth, okay? Don't lie. Say the truth, and the truth will set you free. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate every one of you. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate every one of you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Please don't forget to like the video, okay? Bye bye.